Welcome to RRI High Tech Radiology. In this video, we are going to see about the flat panel CR machine named as RR 60S HF, which is a 3.5 kilowatt machine. It comes with a trolley with a 27-inch monitor. First, connect the power cord and UPS supply and click turn on the switch. Switch on the UPS button. The CPU gets automatically turned on. After that, turn on the MCB. Connect the power cord to the CR machine. The red switch is for turning off, green switch is to turn on the machine, and yellow is for exposure. After connecting the power cord, click on the green button to turn on the machine. Wait for 50 seconds for the machine to boot up. Here is the emergency stop. In case any failure occurs, you can click on it. Here is the display panel where we have to control the CM. It's a CM up button. The CM vertical movement is controlled with an actuator. It is fully automatic. Here we can see the movement of CM up. An actuator controls the CM up and down movement. Now let us see the CM down using this button. The CM goes down. This button is for kV up, kV down, MA up and MA down. You can adjust from 40 kV to 110 kV and 0.20 MA to 4 MA. We have different types of modes available in our CR machine. The auto mode automatically sets the kV and MA based on the image clarity. In continuous mode, it is used for fluoroscopy, where kV and MA is manually adjusted by ourselves based on the type of patient. In the low dose menu, we have 0.2 MA to 2 MA. In boost mode, the MA goes up to 7 MA. In one shot, you can only acquire one frame of the image. You can't get the full video fluoroscopy. And pulsed, the MA goes up to 15 MA. Now see about the movement. Now let us see the movement. It is the steering movement. With this lock is for moving the C-arm horizontally and straight. Here we can control the steering of the CR machine. This lock is for horizontal movement. The horizontal movement is done manually. This can lead to front and back of the CR. And then we have lock for wig-wag movement. It is from 12.5 degree to minus 12.5 degree. You can swing the CR machine. And we have the orbital rotation lock here. We open this lock and we can rotate the C-arm up to 360 degree. And we have the lock for arc rotation. In the arc rotation, we have 290 plus 90 degree to minus 35 degree rotation. This is foot switch. It can be used as an alternative to the exposure button. We have a brake too. We can lock the CR machine using this brake. Now let us come to software part. The software automatically boots up once the CPU turns on, so you don't have to click on it again. In this menu, patient ID and patient name is mandatory. You have to fill it. The birth date, gender, age, height, weight can be filled using the patient history, and study details also can be filled. Now let us take a spine image of a patient. You click the exposure and you get the image there. And in this menu we have image forward. We can change the images in the trolley, and we have image reverse, which will go to the old image. We have image clockwise. It rotates the image in a clockwise direction, and this one is for anti-clockwise direction. We also have image flip, vertical flip and horizontal flip, so you don't have to go to trolley to operate it. And also we have image save option. If you click image save, the image automatically saves in the trolley. Now let us come to the software part. In here, patient details, we have new patient, where we have to fill the patient ID, patient name as usual. In edit patient option, you can change the patient ID, patient's name and their details. In delete patient option, if you wish to delete someone's profile, you can click on it and delete to remove their profile. In search option, you can take the history of old patients and study their X-ray images. In the acquisition menu, we have same image where the image gets stored. We have moved to reference option where the image moves into a split screen, and we have a end procedure option. In the end procedure option, you click, the procedure ends. In the image processing option, we have frames. The frames is from up to 32 frames. From 1 to 32 we can adjust. We can adjust the brightness in this menu. Here it is a contrast option. We can adjust the contrast. Here it is sharpening. We can turn it up and down for clarity of the image. And we have horizontal, vertical flip of the image. Also we have the rotation option. Here we can rotate the image. We can save settings for next study also. If we save settings, the settings remains same. And we have reset option to bring back everything to normal, and invert option to invert the image to black and white. After the procedure ends, click on exit to turn off the C-arm. Either click shutdown or log off to quit the operation.